Good morning, and welcome to this 5-minute morning meditation for positive energy and motivation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you wish. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again, breathe in fresh energy and release any tension. Let's begin this beautiful new day together. Feel your body waking up. Notice the lightness in your chest, the gentle rhythm of your breath. Imagine a warm golden light above you, filled with pure positive energy. As you breathe in, visualize this light pouring into your body, filling you with strength, clarity, and joy. Every breath is an invitation to start fresh, full of purpose. Now, take a moment to simply breathe in this golden light. With each inhale, imagine yourself drawing in confidence, clarity, and strength. And with each exhale, imagine letting go of anything heavy. Old doubts, worries, or fears. They melt away effortlessly. Feel yourself becoming lighter, brighter, more energized with each breath. If your mind wanders, that's perfectly okay. Just gently guide your focus back to the warmth of your breath. Now repeat after me. Today I choose positive energy. I am motivated. I am focused. I am ready. Good things are flowing toward me. I trust in my ability to create a beautiful day. I am grateful for this new beginning. I am energized, confident, and strong. Deep breath in and exhale slowly. Remember, every moment is a fresh start. You are powerful, and today is yours. Take one more deep breath in and exhale slowly. As you move through your day, remember that your breath is always here for you. A quiet anchor in any moment you need peace or strength. Trust yourself. Trust the path unfolding before you. Every step you take today is guided by light, by purpose, and by the quiet power within you. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. You are ready. You are worthy. And this day is a beautiful new beginning. Thank you for sharing this space with me. May your day be filled with light, strength, and endless possibilities.